It is my birthday today, and we are headed into Silly Al's in Quartzsite, Arizona to shoot some pool and have some pizza and spend time with some friends. It's going to be so exciting. Stay tuned. I didn't really know what my birthday would look like this year. Last year, I missed it completely. I was sick, and the celebration happened without me. This year, it's a small town bar in Quartzsite, Arizona. Pizza, pool, and desert friends. And honestly, that feels just about right. We've played a few games out here since being in the desert, just enough for me to think I know what I'm doing. It's been a few weeks though, so this could go either way. But if you're turning 56 in Quartzsite, you don't wait, you break. Silly Al's has been part of Quartzsite for decades. Quartzsite itself started as a small desert town along the Colorado River, named after the quartz that early prospectors found here in the late 1800s. Back then, it was miners passing through. Now, it's RVers, Vanlifers, snowbirds, and desert wanderers who show up every winter. What used to be a quiet railroad stop has turned into this strange little seasonal city that appears almost overnight. And Silly Al's is kind of a hub for all of it. Pizza, pool tables, people passing through, people staying a little longer than they meant to. It's not fancy, it's not glamorous, but somehow it feels like exactly where I was supposed to be on my 56th birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Michelle.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's see what's in here. I didn't expect any of this. I thought we were just coming out for pizza and pool. But somewhere along the way, this group stopped being people I met in the desert and started feeling like friends. A year ago, I was quietly preparing to leave my old life. This year, I'm opening a birthday gift in Quartzsite, surrounded by people who chose to spend the day with me. That means more than I can really put into words. It's not as loud out here, but I wanted to say thank you for joining me for my birthday celebration. It has been a great day so far. I expect it will continue to be a great day. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and following my journey. I really appreciate all of you. Thanks. Bye.